This is a tutorial for your front climb to a seat into a lovely scissor split leg pose with a lay back in the upper body. So let's talk about it. So all we're doing is we're going from a climb to a seat. So do that a few times on the floor first. So climb to seat. That's what's happening with the legs. That's the mechanics of the legs. So with the arms, usually after the climb, we'd reach higher and then the legs can come forward. So we're going from a climb to a seat into a little lay back. So let's see what that looks like. We'll talk about the arms as we go. So if we're just in this position for our front climb, ready to go up, we're there. And then from there, we pull up to stand up, hand, hand. And then I'm just going to lift the knees forward as if I'm going to go into another climb. But instead of going up, I release the legs forward. And then from there, if you feel okay, you lower the hands down, you split the legs apart, and you lean back. So right leg's on the bottom, right arm goes back. And then pull it in. And release. And that's all there is to it. I mean, you can hold that for quite a while with loads of gorgeous spins. You could probably make about, I don't know, 10 to 12 seconds out of that just alone, because it's a lovely little combination. Let's try the other side. So we're climbing with the other foot forwards. So we've got leg, hands are in position, and then we pull up, hand, hand, legs, hands, leg back, pull it in, and release. So gorgeous little combinations to go and play with it.